Hey beautiful people, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meli. I'd love to have you stick around and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram and social media down below. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you know that I've really been into wigs a lot. Like, I've been doing reviews for wigs and I have been obsessed. And so I follow Candylover89. I love her. I love her personality, everything. And she has her own wig line. So these are her wigs, and I actually bought one in her Black Friday sale, and I just received it yesterday. So I'm so excited. So I wanted to unbag it or unbox it with you guys and actually try it on and see what the quality is like. So let's go ahead and jump in. And the first thing that I see in here is like tissue paper and these little earrings. So there's these cute little green earrings. They are like, whoa, they are massive. And then I think this is a wig cap. Yeah, it's got to be a wig cap. Because I know that she said that all her orders came with a piece of jewelry and a wig cap. So I will be trying on the wig, just like overall. I'll see if I can trim it a little bit because I know this is a lace front wig. So next thing in here is her little card, and it actually tells you like wig care instructions and for washing. And then, okay. So this is what it looks like right there. It's a little white bag. It says her name of her beauty. It's Angelix Beauty, and I will link it down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just if you're interested in any of her wigs. Also, she does like lives on Friday where she actually tries them all on, and you can actually see her try them on. And you know, maybe that could help you like choose which one you want and things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I actually wanted a purple one, but they sold out before I could buy it. So I bought this black one just to test out, and this is what it looks like. It's wrapped in this bag, and we're gonna pop her out. I don't remember the name. I'll probably put the name across here on the screen. But anyways, it comes in a mesh like this. So I'm just gonna take it out of the mesh. And this is a free part, which I have yet to try any free parts. If you see a lot of the wigs that I do photos for on Instagram, they don't, you know, they already have like a part, or they you know, have bangs or things like that. So it's not anything that I could actually like make look really realistic, and hers are supposed to look super realistic. So this is what it looks like. It has you know, it comes with this, what is this called, like the lace in the front, and you're supposed to trim it, and it actually looks like real hair. If you guys can see that, you see the hairline right there. Ooh. So I'm excited to try this on. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut the lace and put on my wig cap and come back. I went ahead and trim the hairline right there. You just basically take scissors and trim it along the hairline as close as you can. So I just took a little pair of scissors. This is all the extra lace that I cut off. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Hopefully my mic doesn't get knotted up on here. So she basically tells you to put your forehead in and then flip back. And she always does this thing on her lives where she goes whoosh. It's like a sound effect. So we're gonna try this on. And I'm gonna go ahead and clip it. It has a little clip back here. And we're going to do the candy lover effect and whoosh. Okay, so as you can see right there, I'm looking like a crazy person. The hairline is off, but we're just gonna push her back a little bit. And ooh, my husband's gonna love this. My husband loves like long black hair, so he is going to love this. So this is a free part, which means that you can, you know, divide it in the middle, or you can like move her to the side, whichever way you want to. So it is so pretty though. I love how the hairline is right there because it makes it look so realistic. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did leave a little bit of my hair out just so that it would blend in. If it's a different hair color from yours, then you might not want to do that because you want it to look as natural as possible and blend in with your hair. But because my roots are so dark, I felt like that would make it look more realistic. So this is super long. She is, let me show you guys, all the way down there. But oh, she is pretty. I like it. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? I think I will definitely be playing around a lot with some of her wigs. I really want to try like a fun color. If you go on my Instagram, I'm always doing pictures of wigs. I think that they're so much fun. Like I basically have probably like 20 something wigs now. I don't have any high-end ones. They're all from Amazon. So if you want to see like Amazon wigs, I have them in my Amazon store, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, so overall I have to say I'm really impressed with the quality. I love the hairline. It looks super realistic, and I haven't even glued it down or anything like that. So I feel like her wigs are super easy to use. I can't wait to buy more, which is so bad because I've become like this wig addict. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me down below. You will see like pink hair, purple hair, blue hair. I just love it. And I work in a field like, you know, I work in healthcare where you can't really have fun colors, so this is a great way of like really playing around with color and having fun with it. This black wig is life. Like this is so gorgeous. So I will definitely be playing around with this, you know, really styling it, play around with it a little bit more. But I feel like even just by itself, it looks really natural, beautiful. I love it. I just love it so much. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you guys want like more wig videos, if you guys want me to do a full wig video as far as like my Amazon wigs, things like that. I'd love to hear from you down below. And yeah, I love your feedback, and sorry for all the like, you know, staring at myself. I'm just like really impressed, especially with the hairline. I can't even tell you. A lot of the Amazon wigs that like I have to pluck certain hairs or do certain things just to make it look a little bit better. And with this, it's just like I cut the lace and it's ready to go. It's just like bam. So obsessed. Really highly recommend her. Like I said, I will leave her links down below. I just love her so much. And if you guys go buy from her or check her out, let her know I sent you, because, you know, I would love for her to even realize that I'm alive. Anyways, she's just like the sweetest thing on earth. She just seems like someone you just want to meet and hug. So I just want to hug her, you know, after COVID and stuff like that. But anyways, that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. You can follow me on my Instagram if you want to see more fun wig looks down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.